boy Ron, back at y'all with another video. Alright, so today, man, we about to head down here to Muskegon, Michigan, man, and check out their little car show they got down here, man. Hopefully, they got some nice ass whips, man. I can do some nice blogging and show you guys what they working with down this way. And today, man, we in Hell Keezy, man. We in Hell Keezy today. I ain't drove Hell Keezy in about damn near a year. Shit, you know, I just don't be having the urge to drive it anymore like that, man. But yeah, we're gonna shoot down here, man, and see what they got going on down here in Ski Town. Yep, we in Hell Keezy. Yes, sir. Superchargers. But yeah, I'm
prepare to keep right after 2 miles.
That's the navigation system talking. But yeah, on the Monte Carlo tip, you guys, I had dropped that bad boy off yesterday, and to get the custom trunk and get the boom boom put in. So I guess I'm gonna go with the Kickers Solo X. I think that's the name of them. I want to say they came out this year, but I do believe they had them back in 2020. But you know, of course, the pandemic had hit, so that set everything back. And so yeah, I'm gonna go with them bad boys, man. I like those audio pipes as well. I like them, and I like those I think they call it DB7s. Those some bad motherfuckers there. Those some bad, expensive motherfuckers. But yeah, I'm gonna just roll with the Kickers though, man, and try them out.
In half a mile, keep right onto I-96 westbound.
But yeah, we're about to shoot down here, man, to Muskegon, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get down here. I got a good little drive, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get down here, and hopefully, like I said, they got some nice ass cars down there.
Keep right.
And I got y'all. All right, peace. I made it down here, y'all. Check out some cars they got down here in Ski Town. This Apollo. A couple cars down here. Alright, down here. Goddamn motorcycle. What's up?
How you doing?
All right.
This is our lot car right here.
Oh yeah.
2 lot cars here.
Oh okay. This one here is too.
Yeah.
Camaro.
But if they win the prize, I want the money. I work here, so. What?
This is a V6?
4 sale.
A 4-cylinder?
I know, all right.
How put that in the Camaro?
That's why, yeah.
That's crazy. Damn.
That's why it's still here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it got the ZL1 kit though.
Exactly. I think someone rebadged it.
Yeah.
So there's no way it's an RS.
Hell
The guys
no.
who work here go, yeah, it is. I'm like, no, it's not. You can't get an RS in a 4-cylinder. You can't do that. So no, it doesn't make sense. I think who had it before, they just kind of put badges on it, put a new bumper on it.
Yeah.
But no, this isn't a true RS. Oh.
Damn. I'm walking around with some nice cars down here, man. Check them out. I'll see y'all in a minute.
All right.
All right. How you doing?
I got your card.
Oh, it's nice right here. Like a BMW or something. Like Joe way down here. They got some straight cars down here though. I mean, I haven't seen no old school shit though. Like, I mean, shit, Dobby shit all day long. Yeah, okay. We see these all the time right here. We see these all the time right here though. Yeah, okay, we see these all the time. How you doing?
Too bad.
All right. Is this yours?
Sweet, ain't it?
It's nice. Oh, it's yours right there?
All three.
Oh, all three of them? Yeah, it's nice right here.
All three of them?
Yeah, he said all three of them. That's nice.
Yeah. For real? Come on.
Damn.
It's only half of them.
It's only half of the fleet, huh? Rubicon. Top of the line right there.
Appreciate it.
Hell yeah. How you doing, buddy? Oh yeah. That's right here. He made this from scratch. You made this from scratch, didn't you?
Huh?
You made it from scratch, didn't you?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Built from the ground up.
Yeah.
The rat rod, not pretty, not shiny.
Yeah, yeah.
You can get close to it and worry about scratching it.
Right. I got a partner who want to build one of these himself.
They are nice.
Yeah.
There needs to be more of them around. A lot of times I'm the only, like
Only
right
one
now,
around
the only
here?
rat rod here.
Yeah. I know there's some in Lansing as well too. That's where I came from. I drove from
Oh,
down
yeah.
here. Yeah. There's some down there. There's quite a few of them down there.
Yeah, Detroit too had a guy.
Yeah,
talk
Detroit
to
too.
me. He said he lived in Detroit. He said there's a bunch of them there.
Yeah.
I live in Grand Haven. I'm the only rat rod in town.
Yeah. Nice, man. Nice build,
Thank
man.
you. Appreciate it.
Nice build. It's crazy how human minds work, right?
That's right. Feel a lot of imagination.
Exactly. Hello. Yeah, they ain't got that. I don't know, man. They ain't got that many old school shit up here like that, y'all. I don't know. It's just, I don't know, man. I might hit the motherfucking freeway, get my ass on back, get ready for this motherfucking Earl Spence fight, goddammit. Shit. Fuck this car show shit down here. Get ready for this motherfucking Earl Spence fight, goddammit. Who y'all like? Y'all like Terrence Crawford or Earl Spence? You already know I'm rocking with Spence, Team Spence all day. Team Spence all day. I'm going, hey, I predict a stoppage. What y'all predict? Yeah, see, it's the same. Yeah, nah. It ain't no charges and shit. Ain't no. Oh no. Let's go up here. Let's go up top. Let's see the top we got to offer. They doing burnouts up here or some shit. Yeah, this shit here. This ain't hitting on nothing, y'all. I'm gonna get the fuck on the highway. Yeah, this ain't hitting on shit. This ain't hitting on nothing. Yeah, it's a Mopar. Yeah, it's nice right here. That's nice. It's your car? I like it. What year is this? Like a 67? 69. Yeah, I think you should get first place. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Oh yeah. Real nice car. You're welcome. Charges. Got the charges. See, I'm driving. Million times. motherfuckers? There's some 8s. Got 6 of them motherfuckers up in there. But yeah, man, I'm about to get the fuck up out of here. Get back on this motherfucking freeway. Y'all get with y'all in a minute, man. I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here, man. I'm gonna get ready for this motherfucking Earl Spence Terence Crawford fight. Fuck this bullshit here. I'll get with y'all in a minute.